Hello everyone, this is Venugopal. Today we are going to see keywords and identifiers in C programming. In the last lecture, we have seen the introduction of C programming language, what exactly mean by this programming language. Then we have seen to learn any of the language, right? For example, we have taken the example of English. So these are the steps, like we need to learn alphabets, words, sentences, and paragraph. After that, we have seen to communicate between two persons, right? The person who knows only English and the person who knows only English, Hindi. If I want to make a communication between these two persons, then we need some translator, right? So in the programming language concern, we have talked about the compiler, which is the responsible to talk the human and with the machine. Okay, the source code will be converted into machine code and vice versa. After that, we have seen the character set. What if I want to learn the programming language, any programming language, what are the basic steps? Like the first step, we have seen the alphabets, digits, and special symbols. Collectively, it is called as what? A character set. After that, we have seen the second box, that is keywords, variables, and constants. So today we are going to focus on this keywords part. So let us begin with the keywords part and let us learn what exactly mean by these keywords. So for that purpose, I'm opening one new paint application. So here today we are going to see what keywords. So in general term, basically keywords means what? Suppose in a technical word, these are uh, the reserved words created, I can say, for compiler. Because we know that to understand our source code into the machine code, the compiler will be the responsible to convert the source code into the machine language. So what exactly the developer has decided, they have created some reserved words. Reserved word means already created, predefined words, right? So that the compiler can easily understand the meaning of those words. For example, in our general life also, right, nowadays the WhatsApps are, many people they are using the WhatsApp. So in that, if you see, some people say like GM, that stands for like good morning. No need to mention the full form of GM. That means what? If I'll send anybody like, hey, hi GM, that means he will understand or she will understand. Okay, fine. He's saying what? Good morning, like good night, like ASAP. What are these? All these are all stuff. ASAP, GN, and GM. These are nothing but some keywords which we have created to smoothen, right, the things. Like instead of typing all good morning, good night, uh, as soon as possible, a number of keywords are there, even though some of the keywords are not on there, but these are the basic keywords, right, that the woman can understand easily. So similarly, exactly, for the compiler also, some of the keywords has been reserved by the developers, they have created, the inventors they have created. Okay, so here some of the keywords means what? Like I'll tell you, int is one keyword, float is a keyword. This all are, don't worry about that, right? Everything I'm going to tell you. Like character is a keyword, if is a keyword, do is a keyword, while, then long, then signed. Number of options are there, like case, right? So there are totally how many keywords are there? 32 keywords are there. In C, there are totally 32 keywords are there. You don't need to remember all that 32 keywords, right? If you go onto the net, Google it out, suppose you type here like keywords, nowadays the things will become very easy. Keywords in C, select any C, these all are the list images. If you click on the first link, right, you will get the list of keywords. See, these all are the 32 keywords which are useful in your C programming language, right? So don't need to remember all those stuff, right? Anybody, anytime you want to just see key, what are the keywords, then directly you can go to that particular browser and just type the 32 keywords. So what is the specialty? How to use this specialty, this keyword? Generally, these keywords are, see, these all are the what characters, letters, either up, and all keywords are written in small letters only, small letters. Write down, write all the keywords, as you know that keywords are written in small letters only, because C program is a case sensitive language, and to identify the keywords, generally all the keywords will be in a small letters only. The second thing, very important point, is what? You cannot use keyword as an identifier. Identifier. I'll tell you what exactly mean by identifier. That means name. Okay, here only I'll write like name. You cannot use like a identifier. So that is what all about keywords. It's very simple. Keywords are the reserved words created for the compiler. This is the list of keywords. A number of, already I've shown the all 32 keywords through the browser. This is just for the demonstration key why the people are using these keywords. Like even though if you are if you are in the some courses, for example, you're maybe learning in BCA or some MSc or something else. Okay, if I'll ask you, just tell, okay, I'm in BCA. So what exactly BCA? It's a keyword. Stands for what? Bachelor of Computer Application. But nobody will tell like, oh, I am in Bachelor of Computer Applications. Okay, you generally prefer to use what? Again, keyword, like MCA, all keyword, MBA, BBA. These all are what? These all are the keywords we have made, right, for easy pronunciation, or you can say to better understand. Okay, so that's it for this keyword stuff. Okay, now we will move on to the identifier part. Here only I will tell you what exactly mean by identifier. An identifier, what identifier? A name given to a token. Now again, you might be getting confusing, sir. What exactly mean by this token now? A token is nothing but a smallest, see the definition I'm writing. Smallest unit of a program is called what? Token. Smallest unit of, right? Smallest unit of a program is called as a token. It's very simple, right? So what is identifier? A name given to a token. A name given to a token. Now, if I'll say what exactly mean by this token, the token may be or anything. It may be a variable, it may be a keyword, it may be a symbol, etc. That means what? In any programming language, if I'll talk about any programming language, for example, just I'm writing, for example, add some function. Don't worry about each and everything I'm going to explain you. Just I'm here dictating what, for example, I'm writing a comma b. Then I'm taking some, for example, a plus b, like that. And suppose I'm using print. Don't worry, right? I'm going to explain each and everything. Result equals to, like I'm printing something a. So this is a program. Just like I said, what exactly mean by a token? It is a smallest unit of a program, right? If I'll take this, this is what? This is a opening, closing, opening cursor, curly braces. Sorry, it's a opening curly braces. I can say it comes under what? It comes under symbol. So can I say this is a token? Absolutely. This is nothing but what? This is nothing but a token. Now if I'll take this one, this int is nothing but it is a keyword. Okay, so this come here, it's a keyword. So can I say this is a token? Absolutely, this is a token. Now I think you are getting what exactly mean by token. A token is the smallest unit of a program. It may be anything. It may be a keyword, variable, constant, special symbol, anything. Now the name given to any that token is called as what? Identifier. For example, here this int is a some I am identifying this is by an int. It's a keyword, right? If I'm identifying this by a letter, that is a, it is a variable, right? This is printf. What is printf? This is used to print anything onto the console. Okay, so what this printf is, this is a function. Again, this function is nothing but an identifier. I hope you are getting. The identifier is what? Or simply we are giving some name to some particular token is called as a identifier. Identifier. That means we are identifying something by giving a name. So that's it, guys. And the rules for the declaration of the identifier and the variable names are quite similar, same. So I'm going to discuss those rules into the when I'm going to discuss about the variables. All the rules will be applicable to the identifier only, but identifier and variables are looks similar like a, what the same thing, but identifier is the name given to any token, right? But the variables are something different that I'm going to discuss in my coming lecture. So I hope you have getting this keywords and identifier concept very clearly, right? If you are having any suggestions, and please mention how do you like this video. So keep watching. We will meet in our next video in the variable concept, right? Till then, bye bye. Thank you.